The number one thing to do if you want to be wealthy as a Nigerian entrepreneur is to solve problems. You see, when you're an entrepreneur, your aim is to start looking for solutions to problems, or sometimes let people realize that this is a problem. People can go even higher than that. Even before the problem arises, they have created solutions to it, and they're going to be the first in the market. But about solving problems and getting wealthy is not about solving small problems. You have to solve real and big problems. When I say real and big problems that few people can actually solve, and you solve it in a way that nobody has solved that kind of a system problem before, in a very gigantic way. So number one thing to do if you really want to get wealthy is to make sure that you have kind of skill that few people have. Look at surgeon, look at pilots, look at creatives, musicians that have distinct voices, look at psychologists that can solve problems that other people cannot solve. So you have this kind of skills that few people have. Some people develop it and then you are born with it. So that's number one. Number two is to solve little problems in a very gigantic way. So probably I'm into providing water, probably sachet water or bottled water. So what I'm trying to do is to make sure I have large scale of distribution so that a lot of people can have access to my water, despite the fact that other people can do what I'm doing. And the third thing to do is to make sure that you combine one and two. If you combine one and two, that means you have real keys, and then you can make it for a lot of people to have access to it. And that's what Apple has done. That's what Microsoft has done, in the sense that these phones, this computer, they're supposed to be elite products, but what they made it very cheaper and accessible to a lot of people, because if not, a lot of people will not have phones or even laptop, which you are looking through me now. And the fourth thing is to ensure that this number one, number two, and that combination is scalable. Even if you are the best surgeon in the world, you can't do within 24 hours, because you have to sleep, you have to pay attention to when you are operating. So the only way you can scale it if it's a surgeon is to develop probably processes or develop a kind of instrument to make the surgery very, very easy to do. And that is why the surgeon, those that are very wealthy among them, are those that have created instruments, processes, procedure, or doctors that have created solutions to solving maybe like COVID-19, HIV, or even if you are a pilot, you are creating solutions such that you are the way to pilot aeroplane is not different. So if you really want to get wealthy as a young entrepreneur or middle entrepreneur in Nigeria, you have to do four things. Be able to have such skills that few people have, through your creativity, through your learning, through your talent. Then number two, you must be able to distribute solutions to simple problems in a very large way, using your capital, using technology, using people, using leverages. Number three is to combine the two, have a solution that people have answers to, and then distribute in a very large way. And number four, you have to find a way to scale 1, 2, 3. If you can scale that in years, 5 years, 10 years, you can be wealthy more than you can imagine. That is how to be wealthy. Subscribe to this channel and I will drop you more values.